Creating a sales page in ClickFunnels is an effective way to promote and sell your product or service. Here's how to do it. Log into ClickFunnels. Access your account at ClickFunnels. From the dashboard, click Build a Funnel and select Sell your product. Choose a template. Browse the available sales page templates. Select one that aligns with your product and audience. Templates are customizable, so choose based on layout preference. Customize the sales page. Open the template in the drag and drop editor. Add a compelling headline to grab attention. Include product images or videos to showcase your offering. Write persuasive copy detailing features, benefits, and solving customer pain points. Add social proof such as testimonials or case studies. Use a clear call to action like buy now or sign up with a clickable button. Integrate payment and email. Connect the payment gateway in the product section. Set up an email marketing platform to follow up with leads. Test and publish. Preview the page to ensure it functions correctly. Publish the page and share its URL.